So are you interested in knowing what certain home remedies that you can use to whiten your teeth? Well, hi, my name is Michelle and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I'm going to talk to you about different home remedies of whitening your teeth. So there's a lot of different home remedies that you can do to whiten your teeth, but just to list a few, of course you can always purchase over-the-counter tooth whitening toothpaste, brush your teeth with that on a regular basis, and you actually start to see the staining slowly but surely over a period of time. You start to be lessened on your teeth. Also too, you can use baking soda and water. Brush your teeth with that about 2 to 3 times a week. You just dip your tooth in baking soda and brush your teeth for at least about 2 to 3 minutes, and then always make sure that you rinse your mouth out really good after using the baking soda to rinse out any excess baking soda that you might have left in there. Also too, you can purchase over the counter what is bleaching trays. Now they're not custom fit bleaching trays, so you might not get a great result with it, but it'll start the job process for you. You purchase over the counter bleaching trays, and it actually gives you like some bleaching solution that you can put in the trays. Just follow the directions on that. Normally you would just wear them once a day for about 30 minutes, and then to remove off the excess bleach. And then also to crest white strips. It's a great way to bleach your teeth, especially for a special occasion you're getting ready to do in a couple of weeks. Definitely crest white strips are always a perfect option. So once again, my name is Michelle and I'm a dental assistant with Solutions, and I just explained to you the different options on home remedies for whitening your teeth.